Golf tips even the pros need to know. Learning to play golf is a great way to improve hand-eye coordination while spending time outdoors appreciating your surroundings. Golf is also a great pastime for those who want to socialize with friends. Read the tips in this video to learn how to impress your friends and be a better golf player. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to always replace your divots. This is important, because it is a widely accepted action that helps to maintain a good functioning course and also maintains the aesthetics of it. All it takes is for you to pick up the divot, return it to the spot that it came from, and finally, push down firmly with your foot. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to keep your eye on the ball when making contact with it, and keep your eyes fixated on where the ball was shortly after hitting it. This is important because it is common for people to want to immediately look and see where their ball went, but many times they may look too soon and end up hitting the ball incorrectly. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to not steal balls from the driving range and use them on the course. There is a multitude of reasons why this is wrong, but mainly they are easy to spot and it is considered an action of extremely poor taste. A helpful tip to golfing is to make sure that you are hitting with a clean club. The face of the club can easily get dirt on it and cause you to have unexpected results. Make sure all of the grooves are completely free of dirt and mud before hitting the ball. Golf is a fun, recreational activity that many different people can enjoy. No matter your skill level, picking up this hobby doesn't have to be a difficult task. By practicing and doing your best, you can become a great golfer in no time. Just remember the tips in this video. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.